In any survival situation, staying healthy can make all the difference. That's where natural remedies like Fire Cider come in, a powerful, homemade tonic with a history of boosting immunity and combating illnesses. Known as the Master Tonic, it's a mix of common kitchen ingredients that can help protect you from seasonal ailments or unexpected health issues. Today, we're diving into what makes Fire Cider so beneficial, how you can make it at home, and why it deserves a spot in your emergency preparedness kit. Let's get into the details. Fire Cider is more than just a folk remedy, it's a survivalist's secret weapon. Here's what you need to know about its ingredients, preparation, and usage. The primary components are fresh ginger, horseradish, garlic, onion, hot peppers, lemon, orange, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, and honey. Ginger and turmeric both have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to reduce swelling and boost your body's defenses. Garlic and onion. They're known for their natural antibacterial effects and can support your immune system. Hot peppers. These add a kick and help clear nasal passages while also boosting your metabolism. Apple cider vinegar. Use one with the mother for the best digestive and immune support, while honey adds natural sweetness and extra health benefits. Here's how to make it. Chop and grate all your ingredients to release their active compounds, then place them in a large glass jar. Fill the jar with apple cider vinegar, covering the ingredients, and seal the jar with a non-metallic lid to prevent reactions. Let the mixture steep for 4 to 6 weeks in a cool, dark spot. Shake the jar daily to help blend the flavors and increase potency. After steeping, strain the solids, and consider adding honey for a touch of sweetness. Your Fire Cider is now ready. It's recommended to take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily during flu season or when you feel under the weather. You can dilute it in water, mix it into tea, or even use it as a salad dressing for a daily health boost. This remedy is versatile enough for emergency use and everyday preventive care. To sum it up, Fire Cider is a potent, all-natural remedy made from common kitchen ingredients. It's designed to fight inflammation, boost immunity, and serve as a versatile health tonic. Adding it to your survival kit gives you a natural defense against illnesses, whether you're in the wild or dealing with everyday challenges. Try making a batch of Fire Cider for yourself and see how it fits into your survival toolkit. Share your experiences in the comments, and let us know how you use natural remedies in emergencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more survival tips and tricks. Stay prepared, stay healthy, and remember, nature often provides the best solutions.